Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna explain a new concept and a new protocol under Kilo-P project. Let's start. The concept name is proof of development. With creating this proof of development concept, we are targeting to solve some pain points under Kilo-P project. And what are these pain points? Number one is application development. Number two is marketing. And number three is exchange listings. And while I'm recording this video, we have already activated the exchange listing protocol and it is live, and I'm gonna explain that in this video. For application development and marketing, we are estimating that we will create a system where the users can stake their LOP tokens for application development or marketing, and the people who are developing or making marketing work will benefit from these stakes with commissions. So I'm gonna explain these systems when they are alive in the coming months. In this video, let's try to understand what exchange listing protocol is, how we can contribute, how we can benefit, and how will the project benefit. When we come to exchange listing protocol page, we can learn everything under these links basically. Getting started, using the platform, user risks and considerations, example user flow, and tutorial video. If you click it, you will come to this video. I will be explaining everything without checking this in this video. Let's start. To understand, we need to have some exchanges under all phases. That is why I have opened another page, and this page is an example page. This is not a live one. The live one is in here, and in the live one, we only have one exchange as for now. But in the example one, under all phases, we have exchanges, so I can explain better. So we have four phases, as you can see. Number one is the funding phase, and number two is the listing phase, number three, payback phase, and number four is finalized phase. Of course, every exchange requires some funding, some budget to get the token listed. That is why the first phase is funding phase. As a team, we decide to add an exchange into the system and we add it. Once we add it, you can see the exchange name and the funding goal under the funding phase. When you click and go inside of this exchange, you will be able to see the name and supported chains. As you know, Kilo-P project's LOP token is live on multiple chains. Number one is Binance, number two is Harmony, and number three is Solana. In this example, Zegex is supporting only Binance. We can see this information in here, and the funding goal is 5,000 USDT. Total contributed until now, this is an example, please do not forget, 4,000, and we can follow the progress with this progress bar. And if we want to contribute, we need to log in our MetaMask to Binance chain. Then we need to write here how much USDT token we want to contribute with, and then we need to click this button and then we can contribute, and the progress bar will increase immediately. So the next phase is the listing phase. Once the funding goal reaches, we will be able to fetch the amount and then send it to the regarding exchange. Once we agree with the exchange, and then once the exchange gets the token listed, then we will inform this system as the token is listed. Then the exchange will move from listing phase to payback phase. Once the exchange arrives to the payback phase, we are able to click go inside and we can see the payback goal. The payback goal is the funding goal plus 10%, because every contributor will receive their original USDT amounts plus 10% interest. So In the payback phase, the team, we will contribute with USDT tokens to make this progress bar full. Once the progress bar arrives to the payback goal amount, then we will distribute all the amount to the contributors with 10% interest. And we have a deadline of 1 year to handle this task. Once we contribute all the payback goal, and then once we distribute all the tokens to the contributors, then the exchange will move from payback phase to the finalized phase. And when we click and enter the page in the finalized phase, we can see the payback goal and we can see the total payback added and distributed. If in the progress something goes wrong, if an exchange changes its rules or budget limits, then we can cancel that campaign, the exchange campaign. Then that exchange will move immediately to the finalized phase. And when we click, we will be able to see it is cancelled. And once a campaign and exchange listing cancels, the users who contributed will get the exact amount, the contribution amount, to their wallet addresses automatically. So this system will not cut any fees. So basically, the exchange listing protocol is working like this one. If you have any other questions, you can leave a comment, and I will be checking the comments and try to reply your questions. So what you need to know in this process, once you contribute your USDT tokens, at least 1 year, you will not be able to get them back. So that is one thing you need to be very careful. And the other thing, once you contribute your USDT tokens, after some time, after the progress finalize, your USDT amount will come back to that wallet address which you have contributed. So keeping that wallet safe is your responsibility. Once you contributed this system, you take all the risks, you accept all the rules. You need to be very careful on that. Please do not forget, nothing is financial advice in the videos, and I am not a financial advisor. If you would like to contribute and check this system and support the project, please try with low amounts of USDT tokens and follow where it goes. Then in the future, you can decide better. So we have understood how this system works, and let's go back to the live version now. When we go to kilopi.net, when we go to proof of development link, and then when we go to the exchange listing protocol, we are coming to this page. And in this page, as you can see, there is only one exchange listed. This is the live version, and the target exchange name is ZEGX. And there is a problem with the logo. It's going to be handled, no worries. And the funding goal is 7,000 USDT tokens. And when we enter, we can confirm that $10 already contributed, and the funding goal is 7,000 USDT tokens, and supported chains only Binance as for now. So that is all for this video. I will be explaining the application development and marketing protocol in the coming months, hopefully, and we will keep building sustainable systems under Kilo P roof. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.